do have a small list of things. We're gonna start in the kitchen and then just kind of make our way through the house. And then hopefully we get everything done. I'm gonna try to get it done in about an hour, I guess. And I have done my share of procrastinating this morning. This is probably my third cup of coffee. It is 10:40, so technically it's still the morning, so let's get this morning routine started. Come on along. To do is clean the stove top because, can we just take a gander at that? There we go. So all of that and right here. So we're gonna try to use this Ceramibrite. For glass ceramic cooking, remove any burnt on food with a single edge razor. Oh, I actually have one of those right in the cabinet, as odd as that is. Shake well, apply directly to cooled cooktop. Rub lightly with pad. Ooh, I'm impressed.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to
I keep this by the sink, and then we throw our box tops in there along with the can tabs, and then once it's full I put it in the baggie and send it to school for him.
I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop. I won't slow.
Normally I wipe my glue out every time I use it. So if there is a splatter,
It is my time.
it comes out super easily. However, apparently last night I did not do that, but it just makes it so much harder to clean if you have like all stuff in here that is like caked on. That would have taken 2 seconds last night if I had just done it. But in my defense, last night I actually made 2 dinners because we got a HelloFresh dinner sent and I forgot to choose what we wanted. So they sent 2 things that I normally would not have ordered, and I knew that my husband would not like the dinner last night. I made the HelloFresh dinner for me and my son, and then I made spaghetti and meatballs. But if anything, whenever you use the microwave, if there's stuff in there that's splattered, just take a wet sponge or a damp paper towel and just go over it, and then you won't have to actually spend like 20 minutes scrubbing in your microwave because it got all nasty. Quick tip.
I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way. I won't slow down. I am on my way. I won't slow down. Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, 'cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, 'cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
You know what else's dog totally defluff and de-stuff their toys?
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, 'cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. What you want to. Please don't be polite, 'cause I like your attitude.
This is why it's so hard for me to film, because I emptied this garbage and I know that upstairs bathroom needs to be emptied. So normally I will run upstairs. So as I'm running upstairs, I will bring these things. I actually have stuff in the washing machine.
Around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
Run into my bedroom, and then we have clothes.
Around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it.
I wanna know, does everybody get toothpaste on the mirror? Because I know I never do, but there is always like toothpaste splatter on the bottom of the mirror.
For the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
If you're doing just a quick mirror wipe down, you really don't even need spray. Like that, I just did water and paper towel, and it looks fine. Now, if I didn't bring you upstairs with me to get the garbage, I would have missed cleaning up the bathroom, grabbing the clothes, switching the laundry. That is normally what happens when I'm trying to clean. I just kind of go. So it would be easier if somebody would just follow me around the counter. But I don't have one of those people to do that. So we will make do. The garbage that has not been emptied in at least a week. And then what I normally do is I keep an extra bag in the bottom of the bin. So the bathroom is quasi clean. This needs to come downstairs with me. I think I'm gonna go make the bed instead of going up and down the steps again.
Your attitude, let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you.
Yeah, an open container, 2 open containers of beverages. I gotta turn you off.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it.
Here's a little trick. It's not really a trick, but if you have one of these simple human garbage cans and you don't want to spend $18 on bags, just use the regular ones. Put them in there, and then you just pull this until you don't see it much.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.